Salute y'all. Favorite Texan here, old Pat. Welcome back, y'all, to another FIFA 20 video. This time, good morning, by the way. Very early in the Lone Star State. Good morning to y'all. Hope y'all doing well. Lil Roos, good morning, Lil Roos. Y'all, we gotta open up rewards real quick before I go to work. We gotta get this red DVD in the club. We getting Van Dyke. I'm not hearing it, man. I'm not hearing anything else. We're getting Van Dyke and Immobile. Right on. Let's get right into it, man. Come on. We gotta do this quick. Hope y'all been having a blessed week so far, man. I've been having a great week myself. Okay. We stopped at goal 3. Here we go, y'all. That's how I did it last time. I went to the second one. Let's go. Oh man. Y'all, which one we taking? I just don't have a use for this goalkeeper, man. I really don't. Even though he's a La Liga goalkeeper. 84 physical, 82 pace. Man. We'll take the striker. Second player pick. BVD, get in. Oh man. Y'all. No BVD, man. Don't take the right winger. Moving on, man. Moving on, y'all. Let's go. Let's get right into the packs. Really, we're hoping for a BVD, man, so I can sell my gold one. That would have been nice, but hey, now I wish I would have taken tradable packs from Division Rival Rewards. I took untradables from Rival Rewards, so here we go, y'all. We're gonna open up these Weekend League packs and the Division Rival Rewards real quick. Let's get this first one, man. Oh, no. No, sir. The untradables. Hey, Emmanuel, if you're watching this video, bro, this is the last time I'm taking untradables, man. And I told you the other day I wasn't gonna take untradables. I don't know why I took untradables again for Division Rival Rewards. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I did it, bro. I really don't. I'm not taking untradables again, man. I don't even. Whatever. Come on, man. No bores. Don't do me like that. Don't do it, brother, like that. Come on. Oh, no, sir. No, sir. Nah, man. Come on now. Hey, we got Scuba Steve. Come on. Keeps going. Please. Something. Can we get something? No boards, y'all. 1K points, we'll take that. Take that. Oh, both of them are untradeable? Lord have mercy. All right. Rare players pack. Here we go, y'all. It's gonna turn around for us. It is going to turn around for us. Nah, man. Come on, man. Oh. No. Man. All right, y'all. Okay, it's okay, y'all. Next one. We're gonna get something, man. We have got to get something out of here, right? Surely. Nah, man. What we got, man? We're gonna keep it pushing. We're gonna keep it pushing. Gonna keep it pushing, y'all. Whatever. Man, Gold 3, man. What in the world? Gold 3's been lovely all year. Might have to try to get some more games in next time, y'all. We might have to go to Gold 2 or 1. Trying to get the best rewards and the most. Oh, come on. Y'all, I'm done. I am done with untradeable division rival rewards. I said that last time. Okay. Woo. Korean, send him in. Hey, we got a hero card. I don't know if this card is worth anything, but the card design is absolutely flames. Hey, in the world? $15, $10, $11K. Okay, right on. It's something. It's something, man. Oh, man, it's untradeable. But we collected a card, y'all. When I say I need a hero, I need a real hero, man. That ain't nothing. That ain't nothing, y'all. Y'all, I am genuinely sorry. These, oh my gosh. I don't even have time, dude, honestly, whatever. I really don't have time. Come on, man. Come on. Come on now. Hey, y'all tell me, man, did y'all get VVD Immobile? Please, I hope one of my subs got VVD or Immobile. Oh my goodness. We got what, one more? One more, y'all. Then we gotta get out of here. We gotta ride off into the sunrise, man. Oh, y'all. Last one. Nah. Don't untradables, y'all. I'm either going for coins for rivals, because I can do something with some coins. Yeah, man. Sorry, y'all. Sorry, y'all, man. We didn't get anything, y'all. Alright. It's your favorite Texan here. Talk to y'all real soon, man. More reviews coming soon. Hey, pay attention to the community posts. I'm posting polls and stuff on the community post, the next players y'all want me to review and stuff like that. So pay attention to that. You might vote for your favorite player, thumbs up the comment, a player that y'all want me to review next, and I'll do that, man. God bless y'all, man. Talk to y'all real soon.